This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Ledger Nano S easy method. Start by unboxing and connecting the device, then follow the prompts to set a PIN and record your recovery phrase securely. Store the recovery phrase offline and never share it with anyone. Use Ledger Live to install apps and manage accounts, and always verify addresses on the device screen before sending funds for safe transactions. Open Ledger Live, create a new wallet, and complete the onboarding by confirming your device model and recovery choices. Install the specific cryptocurrency apps you need, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, directly from Ledger Live. Add accounts to view balances and receive addresses, always verifying each address on the device screen. Use the manager to keep apps updated and periodically check firmware updates for security. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear crypto tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading during downtime between transactions, and it pairs nicely with secure habits while you wait. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a small treat after setting up your security properly. Now let's get back to the video. Receiving funds is simple. Open the account in Ledger Live and confirm the shown address matches the device display before sharing it. Sending requires entering the recipient address and amount, checking network fees, and approving the transaction on the device itself. This two-step verification prevents malware from altering details. For large transfers, send a small test amount first, and remember to keep firmware and apps updated to maintain strong security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.